Fifth question. In the given figure, measures of some angles are given. Using the measures, find the values of x, y and z. So you see a figure given here. This is a triangle ENM. You see here there are certain measures given of the angles. Here we see that is 100 degrees. Outside here we see this exterior angle is 140 degrees. And we have to find the measures of the angles x, y and z. Now here we see that these two angles, angle TEN and angle NEM, they form a straight line. Angle TEN and angle NEM form a straight line. And a straight line, the measure is 180 degrees. Or we can say angle TEN and angle NEM form a linear pair. So I can write here angle TEN plus angle NEM is equal to 180 degrees because they are angles in a linear pair. But what is the measure of angle TEN given here? 100 degrees. So we write here 100 degree plus angle NEM is equal to 180 degree. So what will be angle NEM? We will have to take 100 degrees to the right hand side. So this will be 180 degree minus 100 degree. Therefore angle NEM is equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree is 80 degree. Now look at the figure. Angle NEM is nothing but y. Okay. So we can say therefore y is equal to 80 degree. So here in place of y, we write that y is equal to 80 degree. So we have got one of these from x, y and z. We have found out what is y. Now what will we do next? We will find out what is z, because here the exterior angle is given. We have to find out the interior angle adjacent to this exterior angle, because this exterior angle plus this interior angle forms a straight line which is 180 degrees. Therefore, they form angles in a linear pair. So just like as we wrote in the first part, we will say angle EMN plus angle EMR. Angle EMN plus angle EMR form a linear pair, which means that the sum is equal to 180 degrees. What is the reason? Angle in a linear pair. But which angle is 140 degree? Angle EMR. So in place of angle EMR, I will now write 140 degree. So 140 degree plus angle EMN is equal to 180 degree. Now I want to find out what is angle EMN. So I have to take 140 degree to the right hand side. So this becomes 180 degree minus 140 degree. Therefore angle EMN is equal to 180 degree minus 140 degree is 40 degree. Now let us look at the figure again. Angle EMN is Z here. So therefore I get the value of Z. Angle EMN is 40 degrees and angle EMN is Z. Therefore Z is 40 degrees. So what have we found out now? The value of Y and the value of Z. Now I have to find the third value, that is X. Look at the figure. X, Y and Z are all the three interior angles of this triangle ENM. Therefore, X plus Y plus Z should be equal to 180 degrees according to angle sum property of a triangle. So, in triangle NEM, we can write X plus Y plus Z is equal to 180 degrees. How did we get that? Using the angle sum property of the triangle, which states that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Now here we already found out what is y and what is z. Y is 80 degree, Z is 40 degree. So in place of Y and Z, I will write, so I'll write X plus Y we said is 80 degree, Z we said is 40 degree is equal to 180 degree. X plus 80 degree plus 40 degree is 120 degree is equal to 180 degree. So X is equal to, we take 120 degree to the other side, 180 degree minus 120 degree. 180 degree minus 120 degree is 60 degree. Therefore, X is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, we have found the values of all the three angles. Okay. Here we said Y is 80 degree, Z is 40 degree and X is 60 degree. How will we confirm whether the answer is right? The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So, we will add 60 degree plus 40 degree is 100 degree. 100 degree plus 80 degree is 180 degrees. So, the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Therefore, this is confirmed that the values of X, Y and Z what we have got is right.